Here are my top 3 tips for brides who are doing their own wedding makeup, coming from somebody who did professional bridal makeup for 8 years. My first tip, study makeup tutorials and practice like you are taking a test. You're probably not going to nail the look that you want on your first try. Find a beauty creator who has similar makeup style that you love, similar skin tone, similar skin type. Color theory is very real, so somebody with a similar skin tone to you, the colors that they use are going to show up similar on your skin tone as it does to theirs. My next tip, this one is super important. You're going to see a lot of beauty creators on the internet going directly onto their face with their product. Blending can be one of the hardest parts. It takes a lot of time. What you're going to do is you're going to apply it on your hand and you're going to take a brush, then you're going to apply onto the skin. This is going to give you so much more control with the product and the blend is going to be a lot easier. Same goes for blush and concealer. You want to start in soft layers and then build up the product. You're going to be surprised at how much pigment is in these products and you don't need a lot. You can always add more product, but it is much harder to take off what's already on. My last and final tip, do not be afraid of setting powder. If you want your makeup to last you all day long, you're going to have to set it. And a lot of girlies out there are scared that it's going to make their makeup look bad or cakey, but there are setting powders out there on the market like the Charlotte Tilbury one. It's going to set your makeup into place, but it's not going to take away that glow that you had on underneath. I always would tell my brides to have this setting powder on hand for touch-ups. I promise you this is the best powder. After you've set your face, you're going to go with a hydrating setting spray. This is also Charlotte Tilbury. And you can see that glow already came back because it melted that powder into the skin. All right, guys, those are my top tips. I honestly have a lot more. So if you want more, I can give you more. Bye.